Welcome back. In part 2, we built our account balances. Today, we are creating the heart of our money tracker, the transaction log, where every income and expense gets recorded. This table will be where you log daily spending, and it'll connect everything we've built so far. Let's dive in. First field, date. Set this as date type. And here's a time-saving trick. Sets the default value to record creation time. Now every new entry automatically gets today's date. Of course, you can also change the date format to whatever format you prefer. Next, category type. Instead of typing, we'll use reference options to pull data directly from our categories master list. For target tables, select our categories master list. Then, for the field, choose category type. This means any categories you've already added to your master list will automatically appear here as a selectable option. Next is the specific category. We'll also use reference options here, just like before. But this time, we'll add one extra condition. This condition checks whether the category type in the transaction log matches the category type in our master list. When they match, only the related specific categories will show up. This creates a dependent drop-down. When you select income, you'll only see options like salary, side hustle, and other income. When you select variable expenses, you'll see options like groceries and dining out instead. Everything stays clean, organized, and easy to choose from. Next, let's add a description field. This is just a simple text field, where you can write short descriptions like, lunch with Sarah, or Amazon purchase. Now, we'll add to currency fields, money in for income, and money out for expenses. For each transaction, you'll only fill in one of them, never both. Next is the payment method. We'll use reference options again, but this time we'll pull the options from our account balances table, specifically the account name. This links each transaction to where the money came from or went, like cash, bank account, or e-wallet. Now, we're going to add 2 formula fields that will quietly do the work for us in the background and power our dashboard later. First, create a formula field called net amount. And the formula we put if category type equals to income, then money in minus money out. Otherwise, money out minus money in. This gives us a single positive or negative number representing the transaction's impact, which makes it much easier to summarize and analyze our data later. Next, create another formula field called month. This simply extracts the year and month from the date. This is super important later when we want to see monthly spending and budgets. Now, try adding a few test transactions. Log this month's income, your planned travel savings, or your rent. Next, let's tidy up the table and make it easier to work with. You can hide the net amount and month fields, since those are calculated automatically in the background. Next, we can click Add View, and named it this month, and add a filter. Date is in the current month. Instantly, you'll only see this month's transactions. You can also create another view, called Last Month, to compare, by changing the filter to Last Month. For the easiest daily tracking, we can create a transaction form. Lark automatically generates this form from our table. We just need to remove the calculation fields, such as net amount and month, since those auto-calculated. Now turn on the invite link, and copy the link. Bookmark this link on your phone, so next time you make a payment, just open the bookmark, fill in a few fields, and submit. That's it. The transaction goes straight into your transaction log automatically, without opening your Lark app. In part 4, we'll bring this all together. We'll link our account balances, so they auto-update with each transaction, and start building our budget table. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss when we connect everything in part 4.